In this video, I'll show you how to use the snipping tool to record your screen. First, open the snipping tool. If you can't find it, make sure it's installed. Just check the Microsoft Store and install it from there. Select Video and press New. Next, select the area you want to record. You can drag the sides to adjust the size, making it bigger or smaller as needed. You'll also see a notification showing the resolution of the recording. Before you start recording, you can choose to mute or unmute system audio and your microphone from the top menu. System audio means anything you hear on your computer will also be captured in the recording. Now press Start. If it's your first time using the snipping tool for recording, it may ask for permission. Just click Yes to allow access, and the recording will begin. While recording, you can still mute or unmute the system audio and microphone, and you can pause or resume at any time. Once you press Stop, you can't go back. A new window will appear with your video. The software also has an autosave feature if it's enabled, and its default location should be Videos, Screen Recordings. But I always save my recordings in a specific folder myself. Better safe than sorry. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below.